Okay, we're gonna do a quick visual condition report starting with the front right wheel. Now we're looking for chips, scuffs, scratches, gashes, any little cosmetic imperfections. So overall, that wheel looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash. We have a little rock chip right here. Some very minor surface scuffs from just like everyday washing. All stuff that is easily fixed with paint correction. 2 little chips here on that A-pillar. The rest of it looks good. That mirror looks nice. That door looks good. That upper section looks nice. And that wheel looks really good. I don't see any rash on it. Then looking at the front here, you're gonna have a couple spots where bugs have etched into the paint, a couple rock impacts, and then a few rock chips every once in a while. All very minor and normal wear with the miles. See a few larger chips there. The splitter looks good so far. I see a gash right there and some scratches. A couple scuffs on the edge here. And then you have some rash right there. Then all of this looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. Then here on the driver's side fender, that looks good. That wheel looks perfect. Side mirror's clean. That A-pillar looks good. See a really small chip right there. Got a really faint scuff there, probably from some fingernail scratching. That quarter panel looks good. That wheel looks perfect. Everything else looks awesome. Then here on the rear, taillights look awesome. I see some scratches right here. A little scratch there. Those are more on the surface. I don't think they actually took any paint off, but they did indent the clear coat a little. The rest of that looks good. Here on this lower section, you do have some rash, and it damaged the lower diffuser. So I see a little spider crack here, and you can see the exposed fibers there. The other side is perfect though. Besides that, I don't see any other flaws back here that stand out. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. That panel looks amazing. This upper side looks good. Down here on the lower section, you do have some scuffs in the leather from getting out. We do have some scuffs here on this trim. That bolster looks perfect. You have a little bit of wear on that edge, a couple minor scuffs. Got the carbon inserts. The rest of this seat looks brand new. Here on the steering wheel, all of that looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. Got the front lift. That center console looks awesome. Heated, cool seats. Then here on the passenger door panel, all of that looks good. A couple little scuffs on the kick plate. That bolster's nice and clean. That one is perfect. I don't see any flaws on this seat. Upper side of the dash looks good. The glove box is clean. This side's pretty much perfect.